Yeah, Jackson County. Yeah.
Mad Uso.
Yeah. Big things, man, big moves to make. Stay ahead of the game, can't afford no mistakes. I'm all about that paper with them big faces. Don't need rubber bands, hand me those suitcases. Nah, I ain't leaving, dog, I'm just breathing. Living lavishly, money stacks up easy. You probably won't believe me, think that I'm just talking. Money speaks for itself, got you all just talking. Like, look at this big nigga trying to hustle till I wreck shop and take over like Russell. It ain't nothing to me, I'm into bigger things. I'm living what you only think about in your dreams. So don't start hating cause you love what we playing. Just be grateful that you're here to witness history in the making. So here it is, man, Jackson County be the business. Big things, nigga, classes now in session.
We got them big things.
They never seen us coming.
We got them big things.
Jackson County stay
We
stunting.
got them big things.
Midwest stand
We
up.
got them big things.
They don't really want it with us.
We got them big things.
They never seen us coming.
We got them big things.
Jackson County always stay
We got
stunting.
them big things.
Midwest stand up.
We got them big things.
They don't really want it with us.
Bigger than the canyon, grandstand stallion. Bigger than the slick Rick, the ghost face medallion. Bigger than the mob, La Costa Nos. Bigger than the Titanic, gigantic, yo. It's the county when you hearing this. Bigger than the pyramids, ain't no comparison. We the best, period. Bigger than you knowing, bigger when I'm flowing. And that's big cause ain't too much bigger than a Samoan. Bigger cause the rock, I'm cut from bigger stock. So when I shine, I blow minds, I cause bigger shock. Y'all niggas need bigger socks. By that I mean shoes. The difference is comparing 26 to 22s. Big around the block, never hard to spot. 6'1", 3+ with the blown out crop. Big things, big schemes, big money, big team. Heavyweights in hip hop, boiling hot, check the steam.
We got them big things.
Man, the limit's the sky.
We got them big things.
You ain't heard it spit this fly.
We got them big things.
You haters really need not apply.
We got them big things.
You can't see us, don't even try.
We got them big things.
Man, the limit's the sky.
We got them big things.
You ain't heard it spit this fly.
We got them big things.
Haters really need not apply.
We got them big things.
You can't see us, don't even try.
MV's like big things popping and little things stopping. Every time I hit the booth, my big 16 dropping. Vaseline chopping, all the competition flopping. Know that Jackson County topping, we so big, so stop plotting. Tryna flood the block, know my swag is big literally. Physically, I leave you leaning like towers in Italy. Y'all ain't solving nothing, I'm a big problem, riddle me. And try and find solutions, know I'm posted where the middle be. Big body Chevy, thought I told you we do big things. Pockets so heavy, my dead presidents have big names. Keep a big hustle in the levy, getting big fame. Know you kids lame, gang will bang you like I'm Rick James. Hear the beat bumping, drum thumping through your eardrums. Stunting while you bumming, big lyrics, listen here it comes. Chords hear them strumming, Jackson County we ain't fearing none. And listen for somebody doper than us, you ain't hearing
We got them
none.
big things.
816, you know what it
We
is.
got them big things.
Big faces killing them
We
kids.
got them big things.
Jackson County give them the
We got
biz.
them big things.
But no one is as fresh as I'm
We got
is.
them big things.
816, you know what it
We
is.
got them big things.
Big faces killing them
We
kids.
got them big things.
Jackson County give them the
We got
biz.
them big things.
But no one else as fresh as I'm is.
We got them big things.
Hell yeah, that's a wrap.